Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. For many Jamaicans, Christmas Day is synonymous with fun, food and excitement. But for some vendors, it was a big disappointment. Vendors at the Constant Spring Market in St. Andrew were left fuming after a surprise closure dashed their hopes of earning much-needed money. Sandy Williams reports.
Armed with clothing, shoes and food items to tempt last-minute shoppers, vendors at the Constant Spring Market arrived early Christmas morning, expecting a brisk day of business. However, the gates were locked and the security guard delivered a stern message.
The security tell me that the gate is closed, the market is closed, and who in there is going to come out of the market. So there's no business going on.
With larger retail outlets closed for the holiday, the vendors banked on catering to shoppers searching for last-minute Christmas essentials. To make matters worse, they say there was no prior notice of the holiday closure. According to them, a letter requesting permission to operate on both Christmas and Boxing Days had been submitted to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation.
And they told us to pay $500, some pay $500, some pay $800, some pay $1,000 to come in. To which on that day, we paid our money and the gate was still closed up until 1 o'clock. So we don't get any time. So they could have, and give us today and tomorrow.
The vendors claim they are being treated unfairly by the municipality as the downtown Kingston market, for example, operated throughout the holiday.
We need more dialogue, we need more intervention, we need them to come, talk to the vendors, see what they can do, fix up the arcade, give us a facelift. It's our cost, so we know so rent or raise, we don't mind. Fix up the place, give me a facelift. And no, put this in and that future happenings, we don't have things like this to deal with.
Robert Hill is Chief Executive Officer at the KSAMC.
Based on an appeal that was made by the vendors at the Constant Spring Arcade and based on our assessment, we have agreed with the vendors to grant them use of the arcade space to ply their wares for tomorrow, Boxing Day, December 26, 2024.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
The private sector